Are you still spending hours reading research papers, struggling with assignments, or staring at a blank page wondering where to start? What if I told you that just 3 AI tools could save you hours every single week? Let's dive in. First up is Perplexity, your personal AI research assistant. Instead of opening 20 browser tabs, simply ask your question and get accurate, well-structured answers with cited sources. It's perfect for literature reviews, understanding difficult concepts, finding credible references, and exploring related research. Whether you're writing an assignment, preparing a presentation, or working on a dissertation, Perplexity helps you research faster and with more confidence. Next is Notebook LM, and this one is a game changer. Upload your PDFs, lecture notes, research papers, website links, YouTube videos, or even copied text. Notebook LM brings everything together and creates summaries, study guides, mind maps, and answers based on your own materials. It can even turn your notes into a podcast-style audio discussion so you can learn while walking, driving, or relaxing. It's like having your own AI study partner. Finally, we have Idea Map. Ever struggled to come up with ideas for an essay, project, business concept, or presentation? Just type in one simple idea, and Idea Map transforms it into a complete visual mind map. It helps you brainstorm, organize your thoughts, discover new connections, and plan your work much faster. Can help you research smarter, study faster, and think more creatively. Want to master these tools and many more? Enroll in our customized AI training at the Loyola Center for Media and Communications. Visit www.lcmcjesuits.net or email info@lcmcjesuits.net for more information. Enroll today. Unlock the power of AI.